SDG 2 is the second of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals created by the United Nations in 2015. Goal 2 is to have no hunger in the world. Hunger is when people don't have enough food to eat. This usually happens when there is war or not enough rain to grow food locally. For many years, hunger was decreasing, but this changed in 2015. The number of people in the world who are hungry began to slowly increase again. Why are there more hungry people now than before? The COVID-19 pandemic has made it difficult to grow food and deliver it to the people who need it. There is less food everywhere, but poor people have the most problems. What can ordinary people do to help the situation? First, we should not waste food. Make only what you need and eat all that you make. Second, buy local food. Farmers in your area can grow many of the things you eat. Third, use less water. Using too much water means there is less available for growing food. Fourth, grow some of your own food. Even if you don't have much space, try growing some vegetables like carrots or tomatoes.